Hi everyone and welcome to the Merge Tech. In this video I will discuss why is web development so much fun. Why is web development so much fun? Okay, first of all, if you think of learning C++ or other programming languages, it's very boring, very boring. Why? Because you have to use command line, right? Although it teaches you very important skills, you have to use command line, use inputs. There is no graphical user interface, right? But for beginners, it attracts so much. Web development is so much attractive because right from the beginning you work with a graphical user interface, which is you create user interface in the browser, right? You can create beautiful elements, boxes, right? Buttons that you can click, that you can see the results, the outputs, right? Visually appealing designs you can create, and together combine them with programming. That's why it becomes so much interesting. Using HTML and CSS, you can create beautiful designs, and then you can pair up JavaScript, with which you can apply all the programming skills which you have learned, and then create amazing websites, web applications, right? And then the benefit of learning web development is also that as you learn JavaScript, you learn programming, right? You can apply the programming skills into other fields. I always say everyone to start with web development because it is a fun way to learn programming, and not only front end. There is also back end aspect of web development, right? There are two things that which is one is front end, the other is back end. When you develop a full website, say a e-commerce website, completely from scratch by coding, right? Using your own knowledge and coding an e-commerce website using programming, you have to work with the back end, the front end. So there are little pieces that you have to connect, right? You have to connect all the tiny dots together, and the process itself is so much fun of doing that, right? Can you imagine building a complete application from the design to the logic and connecting all of them together, right? And you can see them visually, right? You can use libraries and so many things. And one more great advantage is that you can easily share websites, right? If you have built a website, you can say your relative or your neighbor or your friend to just go to that link and visit the website and amaze everyone with what you have built. Isn't that amazing? You should really, if you have not started yet with web development and you are confused, then you should really start with it. And as you move on, right, as you become better in it, you can always switch your career into some other programming field like mobile development. And if you started web development, you will have a good idea of this area and also perform better in other areas of programming and development. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please comment, subscribe, and hit the like button, and bye bye.